Welcome to my cooking class. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fabulous Poco peach salsa. Of course you need premium peaches. Lucky for me, they grow in my garden. You're going to also use red onions, red pepper, apple cider vinegar, honey, and our Poco picante salsa. Your basic, healthy, fabulous ingredients. Next, you're going to chop them up and you're going to put them in a pan. Make sure this pan is large enough to accommodate all your peaches. Cook this until they get a little soft. I'm using our saute spoon here. And then we're going to be slicing and chopping up our peaches. Make sure you've taken off the outside peel and you've removed the pits. I'm using our ceramic knife and our Y peeler. We add this to the large pot with all the vegetables. You're then going to stir, and when it comes to a boil, we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Remember that you're adding your Poco salsa. I added about 2 tablespoons, but if you want it spicier or milder, it's in your control. Add some fresh lime and stir. Continue stirring off the stove. Make sure you sterilize your jars. Add your salsa into your little containers, making sure you don't drip on the lids. It has to be clean, and that you give yourself a 1/4 inch of headroom. Carefully put the hot sealer lid on top. Attach the screw top. Don't over tighten it. And then you're going to put it back into the water. It has to process for about 15 minutes. When it's done, carefully remove it. I set it on our wire rack and let it cool. You should hear a pop. That will tell you that the processing has been done properly. And in the morning, after you've let it sit for about 12 hours, you're going to have your fresh salsa. Enjoy!